George here. Wanted to show you this clock I built today. This is a kit that I got off of Amazon. It is interested me because it looked kind of cool, and it had both surface mount and through-hole components. And you can see that there's a bunch of resistors, capacitors, transistors there, surface mount, and also a bunch of LEDs are through-hole. You got the little clock display there. And then on the other side, there's more surface mount components and a couple of dip sockets with different ICs, this one being an Atmel processor. And underneath that is a clock crystal. This temperature sensor, some buttons for programming the clock, a battery box. That's to maintain time and date settings while the unit's not powered, and a little piezo buzzer for sound. It has a port for a USB connector, but they provided the wrong one. Didn't fit. It was the wrong kind. Tried to jerry rig it, but that didn't last 5 seconds. So yeah, I ended up cutting that off. So it also has a little interface here, so that pin headers here, so that you can wire an external power and these programming buttons. You can have external buttons. So anyway, let's hook this up with the provided USB cable, which I jerry-rigged to work with the pin header here. So I'll just stick the positive into the VCC in and negative into the negative pin, and just hit the little reset button on the back of the clock here. 2019, February 17th, 1818, which is 6:18 p.m. And it will shortly show the temperature. It is 26 degrees Celsius in here. And you can see the seconds ticking away on the outer perimeter of the clock. So pretty cool. It works.